Hi students, today we are going to learn about multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So here is an example. You can see the 3x is monomial and it's multiplied with 5y plus 2. It's a binomial, right? And this you have to multiple. So this monomial will multiple with each term of the binomial. So every term. So two terms are there, right? So 3x will be multiplied with the first term 5y, and it's addition, right? So it's added to again 3x times the second term 2. That's it. So we have to find it, simplify and find it. So here we have to multiply the numbers first. So 5 3s are 15, x into y is xy, plus here 3 into 2s are 6 and 6x, right? This is our answer, 15xy plus 6x. So remember, each this monomial is multiplied with every term of the binomial. So binomial there will be two terms, so this monomial multiple with the two terms, and if it is addition we will be doing addition, if it is subtraction we will be doing the subtraction. And this will help to find multiplying any number, any big number also you can find easily. Consider the 7 into 106 is that. So 106 we can write in the binomial like 7 into 100 plus 6, right? So multiple 7 in the, it's like a monomial and it is like a binomial, right? The same method. The 7 multiple with every term. So 106. So 7 into 100 plus here the 7 into the second term, 7 into 6. 7 into 100 is a 700 plus 7 6 are 42. So 700 plus 42 is 742. Even like this we can do these multiplications, right? And here we go for the next exercise 9.3. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions. So here is given, we have to multiply. So first is the monomial and second expression is the binomial, right? So same, this monomial is multiple with every term of the binomial. So AB is multiplied with the first term A, and here is a subtraction, so minus again that monomial AB is multiplied with the second term B. We already with subtraction outside, so don't want to write that. So AB into A, so A and A are the same variable, the powers will be added, 1 plus 1 is a square, so A square B minus, here the B and B are same, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so A B square. Clear? So our answer is A square B minus A B square. So here we go for the next problem. The same, we are multiplying the monomial 4 p square q square into the binomial p square minus q square. So the first, this monomial multiple with the first term and also with the second term. So every term we have to multiple. So 4p square q square into p square, and here is a subtraction, so minus again the 4p square q square into q square, right? So here the p and p is the same, so powers you have to add, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 p power 4 and q square only 1 q square, so it's a q square. Minus here the q square into the q square, right? So powers will be added. So 4p square, and if we add the powers it will be the 4, right? The rest 4p square is added as the same. Here also the p square and p square is multiple, the rest p4 and q square games same as it is, right? So here we go for the next problem. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. So it's monomial multiplied with binomial. First we have to simplify this and find the value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. First we have to simplify, then we have to substitute this value and we have to find. So 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. So plus 3 don't disturb, only these things you are going to do. So 3x multiplied every term inside the bracket, right? So 3x into 4x, it's subtraction, so minus 3x into 5 and it's a plus 3. So 3x into 4x, so 4 3s are, it's a 12, and x into x is a x square, so powers we added, minus here 5 3s are 15 and x is the same plus c. So this is the thing, we got it as a simplified 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So now we will, let me find why x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So for first one, let me put x is equal to 3. What we'll be getting? So instead of x place, we have to replace with the 3. So 12 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3, right? So in this x replaced with the 3. So actually this is multiplication. 15x means 15 into x. That's why a multiplication, and I represent the multiplication in the bracket. So first we have to do this. 3 square is the 9, right? 3 into 3 is 9. So 12 into 9 is, so let me write that step. So 12 into 3 square is a 9 minus 15 into 3 is a 45 and plus 3, right? So 12 into 9 is a 108 minus 45 plus 3 is a minus 42. So 108 minus 42 is equal to, you will be getting it as a 66. So this is our answer for the first. So the second, they asked to substitute x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So instead of this x, we will be putting 1 by 2. So 12 into 1 by 2 the whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 12 into the square for both numerator and denominator. So 1 square is the 1 and 2 square is the 4 minus 15 by 2 is the same 15 by 2 plus 3. And this 12 and 4 can be cancelled by 3 times, right? 1 times, 3 times. So it will become a 3 into 1 is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 9. So here 3 plus 3 is a 6. So 6 minus 15 by 2, right? And here, so we will be taking an LCM. 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 15 by 2, and the 12 minus 15 is the 3. So final answer is a 3 by 2. So for x value 3 we will get 66, and for x 1 by 2 we will be getting as a 3 by 2. So first they say to simplify. After simplifying only we have to find that value. So here we go for the next problem. Add all these three expressions: p into p minus q, q into q minus r, and r into r minus p. So first, let me find what is p into p minus q. First let me simplify it, because p have to multiply with the both every term inside the bracket, right? So p into p minus p into q, right? So you will be getting as a p into, so first term is a p into p. P into p. P into p is a p square, and second term is a p into q is a pq. So second expression is a q into q minus r. So q into q multiple the first term minus its multiple the second term. So q have multiple the second term, q into r. So q into q is a q square minus q into the r is a q r. And the third expression is r into r minus p. R into r minus p is equal to r multiply the both at every term. So r into r, it's a minus into r into p. So r into r is a r square minus r into p is a r p. Clear? So now, so we have to add all these three simplified expression, right? So first is the p square minus pq, and second is this q square and qr. There is no q square, so let me add here q square, and qr term is also not there, minus qr. And here r square minus rp. So r square is also not there, r square minus rp is also no like term. So we are going to add. So it will become a p square minus pq and q square minus qr plus r. Oh, here it will be plus. So there's no sign, then we have to add a plus. The same, plus r square minus rp. So this is the expression that we need. Then you can rewrite and write square terms in the beginning and others in the end, like an p square plus next q square plus next r squared minus pq, and next is a minus qr, and next is a minus rp. It will give us some good look, like an higher power in the first and the power 1 is in the last. So like that, square terms in the first and this without square in the last. It gives a good looking. We can do this also, right? Thank you.